Callie doesn't know what to make of them. Look at them, honey! Look at them all!
Run through them, hun! Run through them! Pop them! That's a lot, eh? And the jug is gonna be done.
Yeah. Hurry! 4 of the bubbles are all gone! Oh, you guys are creating a wind!
Get in the bubble stream, quick! We got a breeze from the south right now. Let's try and blow them back.
Cool! You like it? Can you catch all the bubbles? Can you catch them all?
Robert.
Get them!
That's pretty cool, man.
Are they going in your nose? Right? Yeah, get the bubbles. Look, Callie's gonna get them.
Callie. Hey.
Get them. You can look at it, Callie. Just don't jump on it.
Hey.
Get him, Tyson.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
Callie. You always scare the crap out of me. Get him, Tyson. Oh, the wind's twirling around. Hey? Look at the big bubbles. Oh, I think we're almost out of stuff.
Yeah, hide that other bottle stuff for a warmer day.
Oh, are we out of bubbles? Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos just like this, click right down here to subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.